What's up guys, in this video today I am reviewing the top 5 best pressure washers. There are a lot of products available to choose to pressure washers, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pressure washers products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Westinghouse WPX3200 Gas Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX3200 gas-powered pressure washer is a great choice if you are concerned with portability and safety, but still want the power and performance. With Westinghouse's own 212cc 4-cycle horizontal shaft engine, there is no doubt that the power washer has the power for heavy-duty cleaning jobs. The 3-piston axial cam pump is maintenance-free and delivers a strong, steady flow that will handle anything you need it to. It produces a robust 3200 psi and offers 2.5 GPM. The WPX3200 is an excellent choice for brick, stone, concrete, wood, aluminum, and iron. It is perfect for deep cleaning the windows or sidings of homes, patio furniture, vehicles, and more. You can add your detergents and other chemicals with its 0.5 gallons onboard soap tank, and the comfortable Endergrasp spray gun is light enough to use all day without trouble. The WPX3200 pressure washer from Westinghouse comes with 5 nozzles, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap applicator tip. It also includes a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose with the M22 Quick Connect design. The high-profile, never-flat wheels are an impressive 12 inches in size and, along with the resilient steel frame, provide great stability and easy movement. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 Megashot. The second Simpson Cleaning gas pressure washer on our list is the MSH3125 Megashot. The Megashot is a rugged workhorse that offers professional-level performance at a very competitive price point. The 49 state-compliant Honda GC190 engine is easy to start. The OEM Technologies axial cam pump is highly reliable and designed with thermal relief protection. These design considerations help reduce the amount of time you need to spend on maintenance. The Megashot pressure washer comes with a Morflex 25-foot high-pressure hose which is non-marring and abrasion-resistant. This high-quality hose is vital because, with 3200 psi and a flow rate of just over 2.5 GPM, the Megashot is not short on power speed. The 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees and soap nozzles, ergonomic spray gun, and a 16-inch steel QC wand lance are versatile and comfortable enough to allow you to use this pressure washer all day. Chunky 10-inch pneumatic tires provide strong stability and easy maneuverability, no matter where you need to take the Megashot. Finally, the welded steel frame helps to add to the rugged durability of this 66-pound gas pressure washer. Number 3. Generac 7122 Speedwash, 3200 psi. The 7122 Speedwash pressure washer from Generac is designed for many different cleaning tasks in a residential setting, such as concrete, wood, vehicles, and soap applications. The Speedwash offers a lot of innovative features that make it an attractive option. The engineers at Generac built this pressure washer with the Generac brand 196cc OHV engine and a brass head axial cam pump. It provides a maximum flow rate of 2.7 GPM and a psi of 3200 for quick powerful cleaning. The Speedwash comes with Generac's trademark power dial ergonomic spray gun, as well as several cleaning attachments. A power broom for cleaning performance that is up to 4x faster than a standard nozzle. A turbo nozzle with rotating pinpoint stream to remove tough, stuck-on dirt 30% faster than standard nozzles. A soap blaster attachment that can spray soap upwards of 3x further than standard soap nozzles to provide better penetration and improve cleaning. Number 4. Winch PW3200 Gas-Powered 3200 psi. Designed to be ultra-portable while still offering enough power to take on the dirtiest jobs, the Winch PW3200 Gas-Powered Power Washer is excellent if you value reliability and portability. This 3200 psi pressure washer blasts away dirt, paint, or other grime with ease. It features a 208cc 4-stroke OHV engine, capable of pushing out up to 2.5 gallons per minute for faster cleaning. The axial cam pump provides a reliable spray over long distances, and is a quality component that offers consistent performance, and helps to maximize the unit's lifespan. There are 5 nozzles with the PW3200. The nozzles include 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees nozzles to handle a variety of jobs, no matter the size or the sensitivity of the surface you need to spray. The final nozzle is a soap nozzle that is great for washing cars, boats, RVs, or other vehicles. The 12-inch wheels make the pressure washer easy to move over rough ground, and it weighs in at 67 pounds. Number 5. Champion Power Equipment 4200 psi. With measurements of 4200 psi and a maximum flow rate of 4.0 GPM, this Champion commercial-grade pressure washer is one of the most powerful on our list. Champion designed this gas-powered pressure washer with their own 389cc 4-stroke engine and an Innovi rubber-berry triplex brass head axial cam pump to provide quick, efficient cleaning. Field service professionals will appreciate the 5/8 inch by 50-foot steel braid, reinforced high-pressure rubber hose for its large diameter and extended reach. The package also includes a 2-foot detergent hose that easily connects to the 1-gallon onboard detergent tank. The 0 Ucreative, 15 Ucreative, 25 Ucreative, 40 Ucreative soap nozzles ensure maximum cleaning with minimal hassle, no matter what kind of material you are trying to clean away. The low-profile design of the Champion 4200 psi commercial pressure washer makes it easy to load into a service vehicle. And 10-inch tires make moving the washer an effortless task while on the job. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.